Hi, this is Teacher Jennifer from U.S. Citizenship Podcast. Today we are going to look at 15 questions for April 15th, Income Tax Day. We're going to ask some questions from the N400, and then we'll move over to the civics questions. Let's get started.
You are practicing for your naturalization interview. A family member, friend, classmate, or teacher asks, "What is your social security number?"
My social security number is a secret.
A social security number, SSN, is commonly used as a taxpayer identification number on government forms such as the IRS 1040 Federal Income Tax Form and the USCIS N400 Application of Naturalization. What is your SSN?
My social security number is 550391234.
Do you owe any overdue federal, state, or local taxes?
No, I pay all my taxes on time.
Have you ever not filed a federal, state, or local tax return since you became a permanent resident?
No, since I became a permanent resident, I always file my taxes.
You don't work, but your spouse does work. Do you pay your taxes every year?
My spouse and I file our taxes together.
Have you ever called yourself a non-U.S. resident on a federal, state, or local tax return since you became a permanent resident?
No, I have never called myself a non-U.S. resident on any tax forms.
Have you ever gambled illegally or received income from illegal gambling?
I always pay taxes on my winnings.
What is the economic system in the United States?
A capitalist economy.
What are two cabinet-level positions?
The Internal Revenue Service collects taxes under the Secretary of the Treasury, and the Secretary of Commerce promotes economic growth and American business.
Under our Constitution, some powers belong to the federal government. What is one power of the federal government?
Print money.
When is the last day you can send in federal income tax forms?
April 15th.
What is one reason colonists came to America?
Economic opportunity.
Why did the colonists fight the British?
Because of high taxes, taxation without representation.
The first president is on the U.S. $1 bill. Who was the first president?
George Washington.
During the Great Depression, many Americans lost their jobs and all of their money. In 1935, the president signed the Social Security Act to support retired workers and their families. Who was president during the Great Depression and World War II?
Franklin D. Roosevelt. Thanks to the students and staff of the Santa Clara County Library System. Thank you, Joel. Have a great tax day.
Thanks, you too.
Bye-bye.